To set your Galaxy Watch to hide status indicators after 2 seconds from Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting, scroll down the screen, tap advanced features, tap status indicators, and then select hide after 2 seconds. With this setting, status indicators for when your watch is charging, disconnected, has a mode turn on, or has some feature turn on, will just appear at the top of watch face for 2 seconds. After that, the status indicator will be hidden. So, given to the function, you can use this setting if you want to keep your watch face clean by temporarily showing the status indicators on your Galaxy Watch face. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.